School versus Teachable. In this video, we're going to be talking about two of the best course selling and membership selling platforms out there. Okay, so we have School and we have Teachable. Now, when it comes to the functionality of these two, School, I would say, is definitely a newer platform. It just started off, and obviously it has much more features to bring, but it's still a relatively very easy and fun platform to work on, where it gives you the open repertoire of making new courses and actually getting a lot of membership plans. Okay, and the best part about School is that it's totally free. Okay, there's no pricing plan, which is pretty incredible. So if you're budget friendly, School is definitely for you. But if you have the budget, I would definitely urge you to use Teachable, because it's one of the best all-in-one community platforms and course sellers in the game. Okay, it has one of the best functionalities out there, and even one of the best and most decent pricings in all these platforms. So you have a free plan, you have a basic plan, Pro plan, and Pro Plus. So the features you get are pretty incredible. Like, they're great for the markup that they're giving for the price, and I would definitely urge you users to use Teachable if you have the budget for it. So yeah, thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.